Daniel Victor Jones was an American man who died by suicide on a Los Angeles freeway in 1998. The incident was broadcast on live television by news helicopters. Jones died by suicide as a form of protest towards health maintenance organizations after he had been diagnosed as HIV-positive several months earlier. Footage of his suicide was shown in the 2002 documentary film Bowling for Columbine. Jones was born on April 15, 1958, and was from Long Beach, California. He worked as a maintenance worker at the Renaissance Hotel in Long Beach, a job he had been employed at since 1995. He lived in a small two-bedroom bungalow off an alleyway in Long Beach. He lived alone with his pet dog Gladys, a 7-year-old Labrador Whippet mixed breed. By April 1998, Jones was suffering from both HIV and cancer. His neighbors and fellow workers were unaware that he had any health problems. Jones confided to a friend in early April that he had found a flesh-colored growth on his neck. The doctors at first were unsure of its cause, but later confirmed that it was cancer. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.